Frenchy is a Bluetooth and clock phone cradle holder with the volume control and simply connecting the Bluetooth. We have the magic on that lifts up to the maximum height, opening up each of the legs like so with rubber backing and inside. A close-up look at the rubber feet and legs. You have the Bluetooth button by a long press, volume up and down, the on and off, and the changing of the clock and the alarm. On the side you have the USB-C cable, and inside the speaker. Over here is an easy access to grab by simply folding and closing by closing the legs first and closing second. With the supply cable, plug in to an optional brick. It is battery operated. When charging, there is no light of indication in the off. Turning the unit on is an audible voice control.
Battery full. Induction mode.
As we remove the cable, we're going to set up the unit by opening the feet and the arms, placing on the phone and long pressing for Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth. Opening up your favorite application and listening.
And on the 75th anniversary, it was 60 degrees and sunny, but Tiffany says that wasn't stopping her.
And it's a warm day.
We can only play a commercial voice, as we are going to play a video of mine to show you the audible sound of the unit. Packaged in foam and plastic. A close-up look at the street light with the solar array on the bottom, measuring 22.5 inches and overall 25.25, with the V shape measuring 13.5 inches and depth from the thickest part around. Step increments by lowering down to 0 with a beep and increasing array panel to 16 with the beep. Hang your brackets up. And turning the unit off is simply long pressing. We have the option to add an alarm and set the time, and we'll show you that. Turning the unit on is a simple press of a button.
Induction mode.
Pressing on the clock, alarm, 6 a.m., and the plus increases it, and again, increases, and again, to turn on and off. Setting up the clock is the same way by pressing on and going from AM to PM. That's the clock side. By pressing short presses of this button, we have a blue indicator light and different colors of RGB and breathing and off. This is the first. Breathing with a scroll of different colors. Green. A purple blackout color. And hitting the positive or the negative doesn't change or brighten the color. With dual induction, speaker, 5-minute snooze, alarm clock, Bluetooth enabled, you have is a phone and clock unit, 5-in-1. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.